Hello everyone, my name is Lexi and this is my very first YouTube video, and I'm just going to be showing you guys a little bit about how I moved to Korea during a pandemic and how the process was going. So yeah, just stay tuned and I hope you guys like the video. Welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the title of the video, I just recently moved to South Korea and I landed in the Incheon airport on the 15th of December, and I'm currently doing my 2-week mandatory quarantine and I'm almost a week done, thank God. It was just a really long and hectic process, and I will go more into detail about it in my next video. In this video, I just want to show you guys my hotel room that I will be staying in and quarantining in, and I just wanted to give you a tour of that. It's not really that big, so it'll just be a cute, short, simple video. But yes, I did move to Korea. I'm going to be teaching English in Korea, and I will, like I said, put all of the details and stuff in the next video. So if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comment section. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started on this room tour. So when you first get into the hotel room, you're going to walk through this area. And this is where they require you to keep the hotel key. It turns everything on through that slot. And then to your left, there is a little closet here. And this is where I'm storing like my big coats and jackets and things like that. Nothing too big. And then I also have the pair of shoes that I wore here when I came here. I didn't really want to unpack too much just because I know how much I procrastinate with packing, and it's going to be a pain in the ass once it's time to go because I'm already a week into my quarantine. So don't mind the mess. This is where I have my suitcases and things like that. And here they provide you with trash bags, and they collect trash once every day, and then they provide you with water and cups, some tissue, things you can like clean the room with if you really want to. And then there's also this sheet of paper with the notice of isolation for quarantine, and also the Wi-Fi info and stuff like that. This is the desk area, which is also a mess. It has most of my makeup and things right here. And then there's the TV. This is the bed. They gave me 3 beds, and it's actually pretty nice. Even though it does take up most of the space because this is a small room, it is a quite bit of a lay room for me, so I'm actually super grateful. And over here is where I keep all of my food and things like that, so it's a little bit of a mess, but they give you water with every meal. And this is my lunch. I haven't eaten my lunch yet, so I'll have to get to that. The hotel room also comes with a water heater provided for you. So if you have like noodles or anything like that, all you have to do is flip that little switch and it boils the water for you, so it's super great. From there, we have the bathroom, which is probably my favorite part because of the cute little bathtub. It's so adorable. This is usually where I actually bathe in, because for some reason in the shower, I can't figure out how to turn on the hot water. So yeah, no cold showers for me. This is also the toilet, which is pretty cool because it has a little bit of a bidet set up in it. So if you want to, you can like clean out your butt or whatever, but it has a lot of controls over here. So these are the controls for the toilet, and it says stop, cleansing, bidet, pulsating, and dry. And you can also massage the seat that you sit in, which is also pretty cool. You have the option to full flush or half flush, which is really cool, in my opinion, if you ask me. And this is the sink, which is pretty cool. I've never seen a sink positioned in that way before. And this is how you turn it on. Pretty cool, right? So yeah. And this is where I keep my toothbrush, toothpaste, brush, comb, lipstick, things like that. So yeah, and then after that, this is probably my favorite part of the whole room. Look at that view. Honestly, this is the only thing that's been keeping me sane during this entire quarantine. So I'm forever grateful for this view, but it also comes with a sliding window door, which is so cool. So there's that. And then the window does open because we're told to ventilate our rooms 3 times a day. So the window opens, but it only opens at 45 degrees, which is more than enough because if you're in Korea and you know how cold it is, yeah, it gets pretty cold pretty quick. But yeah, there you have it. My quarantine hotel room. So yeah, the room wasn't that big, like I said, but it is a very comfortable space, and I've been pretty comfortable here for it being almost my first week. It actually went by pretty quickly. I was kind of worried, like I wasn't sure what I was going to do in quarantine because yeah, but it's been a very quick process. So I'm almost done with my first week, and then I'll have 1 more week to go, and I will try to document just as much as I can during quarantine. And like I said, I will post all of the informational videos next. This video is just a brief video of my quarantine room and me moving to South Korea by myself in the middle of a pandemic. So once again, I hope you guys enjoyed my very first video. Sorry if the editing is a little bit of trash. Like I said, it's my first time with the whole YouTube thing, but I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, please comment, like, and subscribe to my new channel, and look forward to more content. Thank you.